Hello, my name is April, and I'm a visually impaired individual, and I'm a very honored, proud tester of the AudioEye community. Now, I use NVDA, or NonVisual Desktop Access. This is a screen reader that translates text to speech for me. So today, I will be using it to navigate a demonstration website. You're going to hear my voice along with the screen reader reading to me. You will also see the screen scrolling as I navigate. So before we get into website navigation, there are a couple of options you can do to turn the screen reader on once your computer starts. Of course, you can set it. If you go into your settings when you're installing the screen reader, you will have an option to have it start up automatically. Some people use a shared computer, so that isn't always ideal. So once your computer is booted up, you hit Control Alt in, and this will start NVDA for you. It will also restart it if you get in a glitch and are having trouble with your speech anytime during your browsing of web or listening to whatever it is you do on your computers. There's our rooms and suites.
Single room heading level 2 link.
Single room. So
Link $90 per night.
now I just used the down arrow key and it says $90 per night.
Link figure graphic free website template.
And
Link figure graphic free website template.
There's a website template that usually, with it saying figure there and graphic, that's going to contain some type of image, most likely. So that is the down arrow. Now I'm going to go back through with the up arrow key, which will take me back towards the top of the site.
The figure link $90 per night. Link heading level 2 single room.
Now I'm back at the room heading. Now if I
N
right arrow,
L
it's going to take me
space
letter by letter navigation, or character by character, depending on what you're reading. I can then use the left arrow and
$90 link heading level 2 out of heading figure graphic E.
The left arrow will take me back through from right to left. So that is the arrow navigation, and the headings are a good way that I use for
first arrow
first familiarizing myself with the
site.
site.
Arrow key to move to the next line.
Another popular form is tab navigation.
Sharing meeting control row mute currently unmuted. Alt plus A button. A virtual vista resort virtual vista out of figure is left.
So I'll go back to the top of the page, and I'm going to tap the tab key.
Skip the main content link. Banner landmark virtual vista oasis visited link. Main menu button. So
this is taking me through links, buttons.
Demo.audioeye.com link. Edit as autocomplete land.
And we are in a form field at this point.
Edit as autocomplete land. Adults combo box 1 collapsed.
Coming to a combo box. So this is by all using the tab key, you can get through all these various points of the website. It will, of course, skip over paragraphs of blocks of text, and then you will use Shift Tab.
Check out edit as autocomplete land. Check in edit as autocomplete land. Select demo.audioeye.com link.
To
banner landmark main menu button.
Move
virtual vista oasis visited link. Skip the main content link.
Backwards through the site. Now we're going to share some link quick navigation keys. I'm back at the top
this website is AudioEye
page. and I'm going to tap the letter U,
Skip the main content link.
and the letter U is going to take me through unvisited links.
Hotelentdemo.audioeye.com link. Learn more link. See video link.
Let's see. Let's go to the top.
This website is AudioEye.
The letter V will take me through
Banner Landmark Virtual Vista Oasis visited link.
visited links.
No next visited link.
And there's only one of those.
This website is audio.
And a feature that NVDA has that I really like is the letter K. This will take me through all links of the page. So
skip the main content link. Banner Landmark Virtual Vista Oasis visited link. Hotelentdemo.audioeye.com link. Learn more link. See video link.
And then, of course, as with the other elements, we can do
learn more link.
Shift V, Shift U, Shift K to go backwards.
This website is
through the links to get back up towards the top of the page. And the last one I touched on was the landmarks. If I hit the letter D,
Banner Landmark Virtual Vista Oasis visited link.
There's my banner landmark.
Content info landmark list with 4 items about us link.
And there's the footer information.
Accessibility help desk complimentary landmark.
And the accessibility is the
no next landmark.
We're going to have no next landmarks. So, because I've gone through all of them.
This website is AudioEye enabled and screen sharing, start video, Alt+V button.
There are a couple more quick navigation keys that I would like to show you. The letter C.
Adults combo box collapse 3.
Will take you through combo boxes.
Children combo box collapse 2. No next combo box.
And then, until we get to the end. And then if you come to the one that you want to interact with, you can. That is the basics of navigating a website with NVDA. Until next time, thanks for choosing AudioIQ for your accessibility learning.